Hello guys, what's up? What is up? It's just past Christmas. Everyone knows that Christmas time means I lost my fluff. So, today, I decided that because Christmas just happened, I got so many amazing gifts, I want to play around with some of my new makeup. So, let's kind of, I guess, review and play around with a couple different things. So, one thing I got for Christmas was this amazing Morphe palette. I think it's called You're a Gem, something along that line. It is beautiful. The colors are absolutely perfect. My sheet is slipping off, but y'all get the idea. I'm so excited to use it. This isn't the only thing I got. I got some lipsticks, I got some mascara, eyeliner, like so many different things. Brushes, so I guess let's fricking get started. Alright, so I'm gonna go in and use my new e.l.f. priming mist. Just gonna spray my face a couple times, and then we'll get started with foundation and all that good stuff. Gonna go in with my new Sephora little face brush here, and I'm gonna just start, applying and working it in. And no, I still haven't gotten my new foundation, so I'm using my old one. How was everyone's Christmas and holidays? What did you guys get? Comment down below. So there we go, foundation is set. Just gonna quickly do my eyeliner first before I do my eyeshadow. I don't know if that's the proper way to do it, but okay, did my one wing with my new, I believe, let me see, just to make sure, it's, yes, Benefit Roller Eyeliner. It's really good, actually. Never had it. I got it from one of my friends. Beautiful. Beautiful. So like I said, I got my new Morphe palette. That's what I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be doing something just mostly pinks, I think. Gonna try and just see what I can create. Like I said, this is brand new, so I'm kind of just excited to play around with it. And I'll kind of let you guys know what I think. I don't really know anything about makeup, but... So I am going to go in with, right here, this pink color for my outer crease. And then probably go in with something a little bit lighter afterwards. Alright, let's retry that. Okay. So, just gonna take that pink, get some on. Love. Such a nice pink. It's very vibrant and pigmented, actually. So far it blends really nice too, which I'm really liking. Morphe, I like it. So I've gone and done now my outer crease here. I'm really liking the color that I got. I think I'm actually just going to leave it with this one shade. I'm going to go in with my other brush here. Sorry, just going to get out of my new makeup stand. Let me actually show it to you guys here. One sec. It's a very cool. You just kind of like stick your brushes in that. I like it. It's very useful so far. But yeah, now I'm going to go in and pick a lighter color here and do that on my inner crease. I think I'm going to go in with this purple here. I'll tell you the colors and everything I used in the comments down below. I'm going to do the same on this eye, and then I'm going to blend the two colors because they are not blended at all yet. But I'm in love so far. I'm going to go in with the right brush and get some pink again and just kind of work them in. I might go in with another really fine brush here in my waterline. And, kind of put something underneath. Play with it a little bit more, I'm gonna go this baby pink here, right there, under, and just kind of see how that goes. How many of those there? Whoa, okay. That showed up a lot better than I thought it was. Whoa, alright, yeah. I think I'm really happy with the way that is looking. I'm gonna leave that. I think now I'm just gonna go do my contour. I'm gonna do my highlighter and all of that, my mascara and a little lipstick, and then we're done. I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette here, my contour palette thing, whatever, and just applying, not overly blending it quite yet. I also got this new highlighter here. It's just a little bronzing illuminator, so I'm gonna try that because it sounds real nice. Take my glasses off and tell me kind of where you would put some highlighter. It smells really nice. It's always a benefit. I mean, if it smelled bad, that would suck. Let's put some mascara and then lipstick and we're done. I'm probably gonna do another like pink kind of like obnoxious color, just why the heck not. Also, this is Big Ego by Tarte. It's actually really nice. First time using it, but it makes my eyelashes look great. Lipstick. Oh, also obviously setting spray afterwards. We could not forget. And we're gonna go with this. Berlin by coultnd. Lipstick is applied. And we are gonna use my new e.l.f. Matte and Mist Magic Set. Let yourself dry off, obviously. But guys, that's it. That is all. That is a full face of makeup with Morphe and Tarte and a ton of other brands. But I mostly want to talk about how freaking awesome this palette is. Highly recommend it. Like I said, will leave the name of it in the description below. So if you guys want to pick it up, I got it at Sephora. I'm assuming you can order it online from Sephora or from the Morphe store as well. But yeah, I will attach some photos and everything of my makeup. Have a good day, guys. Hope you enjoyed your little fun time here. Alright, guys. Bye.
Always distorted. Always distorted. Always distorted.